Hello everyone, today we have fun and delicious steamed Chinese dumplings. The color yellow is from calabaza. I mix ground calabaza into the dough, and this is sourdough dumplings. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So like I said, the dough is white and yellow. You can find the recipe in the description box below, but if you are visiting often my channel, you will find a lot of recipe of sourdough wrappers that I always did. So just flour, water, and sourdough starter. So I make it in white, and then I make it with calabaza mash mixed into it. So now we have two doughs, and we are ready to make the design. So I roll out the white color. Now I roll out the yellow color, and I will lay the yellow color on top of the white. You have two ways to do that. If you want the yellow inside and the white outside. If you want the yellow outside and the white inside, you can do so too. So now what I'm trying here is roll into almost rectangular shape. I like them to be rectangular, but it will take a while to get that rectangular. You don't need to, because at the end we will roll out and we cut them and we make the round wrappers. So because when I'm rolling, I use the bench flour. So now I want them to stick to each other. I use the brush to brush off some of the flour. As you can see, I did with the brush. Now I just roll the dough into a log. You can see when I didn't do it well in rectangular, you will see the first cut will be not so beautiful, but doesn't matter. When you roll out, it will have some yellow, some white. That's it, and I'm okay with that. Let me roll a little more and I let you see. See, there is a swirl of yellow inside. Not so much swirling like we will have now, but you can see this one is perfect swirl inside the dough. So I try to roll them into 4 inches in diameter. To me, that the diameter make the wrapper big enough for our project. But it's all up to you. You are the queen, the king of your kitchen. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. You can see it's still a little sticky. You can flour your board, you can flour your rolling pin, but overall it's easy to roll out, and that's it. So I'm happy with the rounds that I made. Now I use the flour cutter to make an indentation. You don't need to cut them too deep to make it separate. You just need to have the line, the indents. And then I use the chopstick to squeeze the meat on together. And that's it. We have the shell. You can go back and fix a little bit if you don't like the shape. So I have a first shell. You do this the same manner to other dough remaining, and now I'm stuffed one of these for you to see. This is my pork and onion stuffing. Smell very good. When I scoop up some to put in the shell, it smells so good. It's just like that. Okay, I'm keep making it, and they are now ready for the steamer. You can see the yellow swirl looks beautiful. If you put the yellow outside, you will have your yellow shell with the white swirls. Now I steam my dumplings 6 to 8 minutes when the water boiled. So it come out very nice. The yellow is vibrant, and you are invited to taste with me. Thank you for watching. Please come back to see me soon. Bye.